Hi, it's Shayne Silver with the Silver team at Keller Williams Innovations and FES. And I'm here to tell you all about my favorite class, the customer experience. As realtors, we want our customers to have an elevated level of service that exceeds their expectations and presents them with an unforgettable experience that is tangibly different from any experience they've had with any other agent throughout their real estate journey. This is a way to guarantee your success in 2024. The objectives of this class are to build a 5-step system to guarantee a wow experience, develop a powerful value proposition that delivers on what customers want most, obtain more appointments and more repeat customers and referrals through these experiences you provide. The perfect audience for this class is any agent who wants to improve their customer service skill set and who wants to build their business on repeat business and customer referrals. Join me for the customer experience.